Hello everyone. How many times did you think of the opportunities that you have missed in life? And some other people may quote and get a huge return out of it. How many investment opportunities already came across you? However, you were not able to assess if this is the right investment opportunity for your money, or you could not choose between two opportunities and selected the wrong one with the lowest return, or even with a loss. And you lost two times actually, not only for selecting the wrong opportunity, but also for the opportunity cost that you lost, out of which you could have done a huge return. If you're not familiar with the terminology, opportunity cost, don't worry, we will get to know all these details. However, some other people may figure out why they have taken the wrong decision in the first place. They knew that they lacked something, part of the ingredients that leads to success. Yes, you may think it is luck, but luck will not lead to success every time. You may be lucky one time, two times, but to succeed in a consistent way, you need something else. And obviously, this thing is the knowledge. So, let's believe in science and knowledge and turn it into reality of good decisions and great achievements. And believe me, you would never ever regret taking a well-educated decision. You might do that for the one that you took without knowledge. So, here it comes. One of the investment opportunities, investing in your knowledge, which you should not miss, not only because of the loss of knowledge, but also because of the gain that you can achieve while building up on this knowledge. Join me all in my course for investing for beginners. I will take you through a very detailed way on how investment industry works. Firstly, we will understand the investment industry structure. Then we go to know exactly the key financial statement participants, because if you want to be one of them, you need to understand how they contribute and affect each other. Then we will explain the financial markets and intermediaries like banks, insurance companies, and explain different types of them and how to work with them. After that, we will explain different types of economic systems, because you cannot invest while you are not aware of the environment that you are investing in, because you will not only invest in your country's assets, you might invest in assets all over the world, which requires a broader knowledge and awareness. Then, we will discuss what microeconomics mean and what macroeconomics means and how they affect each other. After that, we will discuss the international trading system between countries, which emphasize the globalization concept and its pros and cons. And surely, we will discuss risk management in investment industries, which is crucial as you are managing people's investment, or at least your own savings, which you need to be very careful and prudent enough. Then, we will analyze different financial assets and discuss the differences between them and how we can trade and how to trade it. Also, we will explain a lot of concepts, including derivatives, options, and more of these that you are listening and hearing a lot of people talking about, but you don't know what does it mean. By the end of this course, you'll be able to understand all the terminologies said in the investment industry and to understand how companies are taking decisions in the financial markets and how governments can take other actions that might impact the whole industry, and sure, how you can take a well-educated decision in front of all of these uncertainties. So, let's start and do not waste more time looking around. I'm already excited. Aren't you?